transcription quiz. Gentlemen, here is a fact that may come as a surprise to you, Many people today would rather make a home in an apartment than in a private house. These people do not want to tie themselves down to a house, because these people actually have different values and life styles than people who own houses, they have considerably more time, energy, and money to spend for the things they really want. Our monthly magazine, apartment living, is the only periodical written especially for apartment dwellers, More than 500,000 adults who presently live in apartments subscribe to our magazine, If you want to reach this large, profitable segment of our population, run your advertising message in apartment living, We predict your sales will increase substantially, Cordially yours,